Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M6 and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. Alright, so let's pretend I've got some problems with Chrome, with the browser. So the first thing I would like to do is to force stop it and then remove cache. So let's find the app which causes you a lot of problems, tap on it and hold it, and then go to app info. Now I'd like to begin with the force stop. So just tap on force stop and confirm it with OK, and then go to storage. And here we've got the cache section. Basically, cache are junk files which your device saves all the time, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. And they can sometimes interfere and cause a lot of problems. So simply tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Confirm it by tapping on OK, and as you can see, your device will immediately remove it. After that, so after force stop and removing cache, I highly recommend to restart your device, and this operation will kind of confirm all of the changes. So press the power button and press it long enough until you'll see the options to restart or power off your device. So just drag this ball to this reboot option and your device will be automatically powered on and powered off again. And after that, I highly recommend to try to open the app, because probably the first step will simply remove all of the problems. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to check for the updates, because sometimes older versions might have some problems. So let's go to the Play Store, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. I highly recommend to check our tutorial of how to do it. And now all we have to do is to tap on this circle, which is our account, and go to Manage Apps and Device. You can either go to Manage or tap on Updates Available, it's totally up to you. And here in this list you can try to find the app which you wish to update. In my case it's right here. Or another way is to simply tap on Search here and tap on enter the name of the app which you wish to update. After tapping on it, here you will have the app with the information whether it is installed or not, and this update option. So as I said, I highly recommend to check for the updates and tap on update, download it if you meet some problems. If that didn't work, and to be honest, I also highly recommend to restart your device after updating to again confirm all of the changes. If it didn't work, then I highly recommend to get back to this section, and after tapping on the app, instead of update, you will see the option uninstall. And I highly recommend to simply tap on uninstall, wait until your device will uninstall it, and then install it again. You can also try to restart your device between those steps. Basically, because sometimes directly installing the newer version is better than overwriting the newer on the older one. Yes, and if that didn't work, as a last resort, I highly recommend to check for the system updates, so the software updates, because sometimes the software also can interfere. So again, make sure that we've got the internet connection, go to the settings, here tap on About Phone, and tap on Xiaomi HyperOS. And now your device will basically check for the updates, and if you've got the update pending, I highly recommend to simply tap on update and download it, and obviously confirm it with restarting your device, but hopefully it will work. And for sure, all of those steps combined will help you with fix the crashing app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.